Okra hair growth mask, all for me. Look what my mommy is doing for me. My hair is so beautiful. I love my hair, and I love when people tell me your hair is so long, it's so beautiful. Okay, this is the process. After washing it, she puts it and cook it for like 5 minutes, and it brings out all the juicy. And here she sieves it. After sieving it, she go in with the almond oil, with the avocado oil, with the coconut oil, and mint leaf oil, and all the oil for freshness. Oh, that's me. Okay, here I'm just chilling with my Capri Sun, and mommy is going in with all the jelly, juicy. Oh, I love the massage.
Mama, what do you want? Banana. You want What do you want? I take juice. Drink.
Me the Capri Sun. She actually took it from me, and here I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy and I'm smiling because I love the cartoon that I'm watching. Okay, something actually happened again. You know, I spilled the juice, and look what mommy did. She took it from me. Oh, here we go. And you know what? I cried and she gave it back to me. Oh, okay, she's going into parts and parts. We're going to part the hair into sections, and she's going to massage and comb while I'm busy watching the cartoon, playing with my Capri Sun, removing the straw, put it in the bag, and my mom is busy combing the hair. She takes it so slow, combing from edge to the bottom. Yes. Okay, I have to tell you one secret about me. I really love to make hair because I can watch a lot of videos and a lot of cartoons, and especially Miss Rachel, while my mommy do every other thing. And here I just got upset. Why am I angry? Just watch and see.
We don't waste food in this house. I said we don't waste food in this house. Isio, we don't waste food. You wasted your juice. What do you want me to do? Huh? And you put your head out. Who threw them on the floor? Huh? Just answer me. Who threw them on the floor? You? Did you throw your juice on
What
the
am
floor?
I doing? I'm just making a mess.
He said, did you throw your juice on the floor?
Okay. Wow, this is beautiful. I love my hair. I love the texture, and my hair has a very healthy look, and it's shiny. Oh, my hair has grown so much. How old am I again? Mommy, help me. How old am I again? Girl, you are 1 year, 2 months. Oh, that's so cute. Thank you for reminding me that, mommy. Let's continue, guys. Here I'm wearing my cute bonnet, and that's it. Fine girl, fine
What are you
girl.
doing?
Oh, what am I doing here?
Come. Come, it's time
I'm
to
just
shower.
spending my time
Yes, time
waiting
to
for
shower.
the hair to dry.
Excuse me. Hey, girl. Excuse me. Isi, no, come. Come, show me your hair. It's all dried out.
Yes,
It's
I
dried.
am so happy,
Show us your hair. Wow,
happy
so
running
beautiful.
around the
What?
house.
Your hair is dry.
House.
Okay, let's go wash your
This
hair.
is my new hat.
That's not a hat. It's your toy.
I'll put it on. Whoop. Oh, she's so cute. Okay, here it's time to wash the hair. I think I had this mask on for about an hour 30 minutes, and oh, my hair is so long. And here we are removing the sections so that she will go in with the lukewarm water to to wash out the gel. And that's it. I'm so happy my hair is all growing very fine. Thank you, mommy, for doing this. I appreciate it. I hope when I grow older, you will keep doing this.
Your hair is
At least when I get to 20, you'll still do my hair day.
good job, mama.
Yes, mommy. Yes, mommy.
Good job,
I'm so
mama.
happy. Hey, please subscribe to my channel. I don't even have any followers. Oh, that's the length. Wow. Almost bra length. And I don't have a bra. Bye, guys, and thank you for watching.